Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix no SIM card or SIM card failure on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, for basic fixes, try these first, okay? Go ahead and restart your phone. If restarting doesn't help, well, you can go ahead and toggle airplane mode. So to do that, go ahead and go to Control Center right here. Toggle airplane mode for about 15 to 30 seconds, okay? Now, once that's done, turn it back on to refresh your network connection, okay? And once that's done, you should be able to see that it's working now. If that still won't work, go ahead and turn off your phone, okay? Turn off your phone and then eject the SIM tray. Check the card for dirt or damage. Then you can go ahead and wipe it gently and reinsert firmly. All right? Now that most of the time fixes the issue. If that still won't work, go ahead and go to your settings right here. Now go to General, tap on General, now tap on About. If an update is available, a prompt will appear. So just go ahead and install the update, okay? And you could also check your physical SIM right here or eSIM at the very bottom. If there are details right here for your SIM, well, it should work, okay? You might want to find coverage. Go outside and check for signals. If those basic steps doesn't help, well, first up, go ahead and go to settings right here and make sure that you update your iOS to the latest version, okay? Tap on update right here, wait for the update to finish, and once that's done, you should be good to go, all right? If that still will work, well, you could go ahead over to settings, general once more. In here, go ahead and scroll all the way down and find transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on it. Now in here, go ahead and tap on reset and select the option reset network settings, okay? Wait for the process to finish, and after that, check if it helps. Now, if you do have VPN enabled, well, first up, disable it, okay? As VPN sometimes block the connection for your carrier. And that is it. If all else fails, you can go ahead and try another SIM, okay? If other SIM works, well, the problem is within your new SIM. Now, if both of your SIM doesn't work, well, it might be a problem with your phone. And you might want to get it checked by a local technician or via Apple. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.